What's up? This is the Politis family, the Rainbow family in the house. Anyways, yeah. Uh, Today I'm just chill at the house. I took a day off today because I have some stuff I have to do, I have to get done today. And till now I'm just chilled at the house. Don't even know what to do. Yeah, you know, the life is really He's really boring. Quite boring, I'll admit it. Yeah, took a day off today, so I want to do some stuff according to for my family leave. So yeah, I was up for like what 2 months when uh, when my wife was at the hospital. She gave birth to my son, and so we were off for like 2 months. So I went and you know get that done today, so I can get my money for the 2 months that I didn't work. But I'm back to work now. So, but today I took a day off. So now I already did that. Everything is approved now. So what I'm waiting for is my check comes to the mail. But anyways, yeah. So yeah, me and my wife took a day off too. Well, no, actually, she didn't take a day off. She worked from home today, so because she gotta go with me to do my stuff. So, honey, come over here. You say hi. Say something to the people that are watching. Come on.
Hi
This is my
everyone.
wife, Lisa.
Hello, hello.
So how's your work today from home?
It's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
gotta get back to work. Ta-ta.
So yeah, she work today from home. Yeah, this is uh this is our life. There's work, home, and sometimes we go see our son. See his grave later on today when she's off, and my daughter's at work too. Gotta pick her up first, and then on our way back home, we gotta go see Easy. So yeah, so so I'll catch up with you guys later. Thank you. So we're here to pick up my daughter from work. She's off. So right now it's like 7 o'clock p.m. here in Hayward, California.
Fremont.
In Fremont. And then after that, we're gonna go see our son before we go home. So we're waiting outside the parking lot. It's nice and sunny here in in the bay. And, today was a good day, like last week and then this week. So it's nice and sunny. It's warm, but at night it's cold. It's cold at night.
But we still have the AC on.
And we still have the AC on. Like, it's ridiculous. Somebody wanna sleep with the air on. This 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 woman right here.
You can't see me.
I can see you. So, all right, I'll see you guys when we go see my boy Easy before we go home tonight. Yes, sir. Yep. We're here at my son Gray. Came to see him before we head home. And this is what we do when we have time. Come and see him during the week because today I'm off today. I took a day off today. So I have a chance to come see him during the week. But usually I come see him on the weekend. That's the only chance that I have to come see him. How do I do this? Yeah, that's my boy. He's, say hi, son. Say hi to the viewers.
Hi, son.
That's my son. She's a grass right there. It's my boy.
Hi, Pepe. Ay. Get him a little fence.
So yeah. That's his mom. Say hi, hon.
Hi.
Say to our viewers.
Hi, viewers. I'll clean up my son's room.
So right here at this part right here, we're gonna put grass right here and this side right here, and on the side right here, back there we're gonna put grass, fake grass, so we can come and sit down here.
Have a little picnic
Yeah.
one of these days.
Oh yeah. Yep. This is our life. It's what we do. It's all we do. Just go to work and come see my son on the weekend. And yeah, we're here in California, Hayward, California. Say hi, hon. Yeah. My boy Easy. Um, so yeah, if you guys want to watch it, we did the beret for him after the service, funeral service. So if you want to watch that, go ahead and go on my channel and watch the parade and all the picture for his funeral. So, it's been what month now?
Yeah.
It's been a month now. You know, we lay him down. My boy Israel, you like Raymond?
Israel.
Israel. And all this right here is all baby's grave. This is the baby land. They said call it baby land. He's all happy. Look his spinner. He's happy that we here. All right, guys. See you guys later. Spend time with my boy, and then come back and talk to you guys. Yes, sir. Hey, what's going on?
I need to add a little milk.
That was scared for a second.
Are we having getting ready to have a dinner tonight? So my daughter cook.
It's feta and tomato pasta and then meatballs and rice.
With meatball.
I gotta add some Alfredo sauce in there and make it a little creamy. Cause you know me.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Are you gonna try some?
Yep. This one.
How's the meatball?
Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Fine. How are you gonna eat the
With the rice.
With rice.
Okay.
Yep. Meatball and rice with ketchup. What's the name of your guys? Have meatball.
Feta cheese
Feta cheese
pasta with
pasta
tomatoes.
with tomato
And meatball.
and meatball. But me, I just like simple meatball and rice, ketchup. That's it. Good. Good.
It's divine.
Oh yeah, that's what we have for dinner tonight. It's okay, huh?
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You can continue.
This is what is a beef meatball.
Mom. Yeah. Good. Great job. I told you. I'm sorry. I'm okay now. I'm hungry.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love beef meatball. Yeah. Let's see. Focus. Okay.
Sorry. Sorry, my friend.
Hey, can you pass me a ketchup?
Okay. Where is it? Where is it at?
The bottom though.
Oh, the bottom? Oh my gosh. There's barely.
Comment below that, what do you make for dinner? No more. Finish. Yeah. Usually, I cook, like Samoan food, like turkey tail,
You be cooking good.
pasipovi, brisket pasipovi. But, you know.
You gotta let the daughter cook.
So my daughter cooked today. So,
What's your rate, Dad?
on my meatball alone,
Yeah.
I'll say 10.
Oh!
No. I don't eat pasta. I don't eat like Mexican food, or I love American food and Samoan food. That's it. I eat seafood too, but here and there. Yeah, but me, I eat a lot of like beef, like meat. I don't eat burrito. Nothing like that. If it's not chicken, fried chicken, or beef stew, or I'm sorry, I'm not picky or anything, but that's how I want my food. Because I'd rather eat the food that I know that I like and I'm going to finish it than eating something and then I'm going to waste it. So I don't want to waste any food. You know. So that's why, like right now, I'm just eating meatballs and rice. My daughter and my wife make what is it? Pasta. Pasta with
Meatball.
with meatball. And then I said before, I don't eat pasta. I don't. So that's why I eat only the meatball. Honey, let me see your food.
Huh?
Let me show your food. She don't want to show her food. I was gonna make gravy to eat the meatball, but I'm hungry. Oh yeah. All right, guys. That's it for us today. Um, Time to go sleep. Got to get up in the morning and start our day again tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. And sorry, it's a long video, but we just want to share what we do every single day, you know. But please like our video and subscribe. And thank you for watching. This is the Faremo family, and God bless everyone that watched this video. And see you guys next time. Good night. Yes, sir.
You got me singing.